Hi, Mama. You so beautiful. Do it. Do it. What you doodles? What? What's on your forehead? It's a bruise. You need to stop banging your head on stuff. Does it hurt? Want to go owies? You're so weird. I love it. Stop it. That's the owies. That's owies. I love you.